Hi guys, the one who chose the third pile, that is for the air zodiac sign like Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. The message for the new moon is there might be a lot of things that like you are sharing with people around you, or the one whom with your loved ones you are working with them. I somehow feel you are unclear what you exactly want in your life right now. You are less communicative, or you want to express something but you don't know how to express it, and you are running after things. I somehow feel work only for one thing at the same point of time until or unless it is getting manifested or you just got your answers. Don't run after एक टास्क कंप्लीट नहीं किया दूसरे पे पहुंच गए. डोंट डू दैट बिकॉज इट विल मेक योर लाइफ हसल. आप परेशान रहोगे अपनी लाइफ से न्यू मून पे. दिस इज़ अ मैसेज दैट आई एम रिसीविंग. जस्ट वर्क अपॉन वॉट यू एग्जैक्टली वॉन्ट. कंप्लीट योर वन टास्क एंड देन मूव टू द नेक्स्ट टास्क. दैट इज़ अ मैसेज दैट आई एम रिसीविंग फॉर यू. You have a lot of vows and promises with you. Just fulfill all your desires, all your things. जो भी आपने commitments जो भी आपने किए हैं, just try to fulfill that thing with dignity, with love, with care, with promises. जो भी आपने किए हैं, just try to fulfill that. अगर you have like for example you have thinking of something like to take up a new home, or you have taken the loan or something, just progress towards it. Don't make it a नेगेटिव पॉइंट कि आप लेके बैठ गए हो लोन बट आप कुछ एक्शंस नहीं ले रहे हो. आई सम वे फील यू आर लेस कम्युनिकेटिव एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. यू आर जस्ट जगलिंग विद योर थिंग्स राइट नाउ. आई सम वे फील दिस इज़ अ टाइम ऑफ पीस. So just look for your answers, like by taking care of yourself or spending time thinking of something that you wanted to have. The next message that I am receiving is okay, so there are a lot of things coming up in your life, guys. It might be a male, it might be a female. Anyone who would be coming it, the person would be very very charismatic or god gifted or something. Like the person may help you a lot. I feel it is a male, the one who will be very assertive, and आपको जैसे ही वो आपकी लाइफ में आएगा ना, यू विल गेट टू नो कि दिस इज़ द राइट पर्सन एंड दिस इज़ द पर्सन दैट आई wanted to work for, or I wanted to like talk to. So this is what I am feeling. Like you will be attracted to someone and they are coming in your life in any way. It might be your old friend and which is being converted to any relationship, or if it is a friendship it might get more deeper. So this is a message that I am receiving for the Aries air zodiac signs like Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. I feel the message got resonated, guys. If it does, do leave a feedback. Thank you.